For restrooms with unusual layouts or inaccessible areas, we adapt technique and tools to ensure consistent hygiene and visible cleanliness. Start by assessing the space visually and by touch to map inaccessible zones and note any permanent obstructions like plumbing chases or fixtures set into walls. Use extendable handles with swivel heads and microfiber covers to reach narrow gaps and high ledges while maintaining surface pressure for effective soil removal. For recessed fixtures or behind panels, use angled scrubbing attachments or a telescoping detail brush to agitate and lift grime without forcing access that could cause damage. When drainage or ventilation prevents full access, dry mop and vacuum first to remove loose debris, then apply an appropriate sanitizer on dwell time to reachable surfaces, so microbes are reduced even if some crevices are missed. Prioritize cleaning frequency on high touch points and visible surfaces so users perceive cleanliness even when deep access is limited. Always document areas you could not clean fully and communicate clearly to the supervisor or owner with photos and suggested changes like removable access panels or minor fixture relocation to prevent recurring problems. Many crews try to brute force inaccessible spots, which risks damage and wasted time, so avoid forcing tools into tight mechanical gaps. Instead, report and schedule a corrective modification. Another common mistake is skipping dwell times for disinfectants on reachable surfaces, which reduces efficacy. Set a timer or use products with shorter required contact times to maintain throughput. A third issue is neglecting to adapt PPE and ergonomics for extended use of long tools, which leads to strain. Rotate workers, change grips frequently, and choose lighter carbon fiber poles or padded handles to reduce fatigue. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like layout improvements and cleaning services, and we help people find trusted local professionals and post-project details. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and coordinate solutions so we can all learn from real experiences.